Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Hey everybody, I'm Michael, and what I'd like to do in this video is show you how to capture and then later view 360-degree panoramas taken with Gear VR. Because if you're like me, trying to figure out what Samsung has to say is driving you crazy. So I am going to take you through the basics of this, and if you want to learn more, check out some of my other tutorials. Okay, to do this operation, what you need are three basic pieces of hardware. First, you're going to need VR glasses, just like this. These are the Samsung Gear VR glasses. So get these viewers. You'll also need a camera, and that's your Gear VR camera. This is an older one. Don't worry if you have the new HD one. Same way with the viewers. Don't worry if you have the new viewers, because all this remains the same. It pertains to both the older capture and viewing systems and the newer ones. And you'll also need a phone to communicate with these devices. Right here, I have my Samsung phone. Before I go any further, I need to ensure that you have some basic understanding. Okay, what you need to know is how to set your phone up so that it communicates with your camera. And also, I'm going to assume that you know how to connect your camera to your viewing glasses. All right, if that's done, let's go on with the tutorial. Before we get to the actual process, the nuts and bolts of what you need to do in order to capture and view a 360 panorama, let me first talk a little bit about concepts, because I think it's important to empower you with this understanding. Okay, first, you'll need to capture an image, and the image can either be still or it can be video. But remember, video requires more memory and more processing time. So you might want to start simple, start with a still image. Okay, remember that when you're taking that image, even though you might be holding your cell phone, the image is being recorded onto the card which is in the 360 camera. Now later on, you're going to need to transfer a copy of that image from the 360 camera onto your phone. Why? Because it's your phone that gets inserted into the viewer. So the first step is to capture an image. The second is going to be saving a copy of that image from the initial storage, which is on the camera, into your cell phone. Once it's in your cell phone, then what you'll do is open up Samsung Gear VR. Then you're able to access that image as a 3D panorama once you insert it into the viewer. Okay. Those are the concepts. Now let's see how it's done. For the first step, acquisition, I have my camera right here, and I also have my phone right here. All right, first, let's turn on the app. That is the app that controls the camera. I'm going to click on it, open up the app, and here we have the app that is open. Next, what I'll do is turn on the camera. Press the on button, hold it for a few seconds. I get an audio beep, it flashes, and we've got a connection now between my phone and the camera. And once I have that connection, then if I press this button right down here, what it will begin to do is offer me a view which allows me to control that camera. And here it comes. And there it is. So we're looking actually at the 360. If I turn that camera around, you can see the view turn around. Next, what we need to do is to take a photo. So we can press down right here, and we can begin capturing images. So right now, what we're doing is capturing a video image. And if we have the phone, we can turn that around, do some weird things in here. And we're recording a 360 panorama, as you can see. And we'll stop that. So the recording is stopped, and the file is auto-saved onto the memory card of the camera. And we now need to move that to the cell phone. Okay, to do so, what we do is press the thumbnail image of that file. And then if we look down at the bottom, we're going to see a number of menu choices. And we're going to look for the Save menu choice. We press the Save button, and now the file is automatically saved onto the cell phone. Depending upon the file size, this can take a while, but with the magic of video, we've saved it. Okay, next, what we need to do is insert our phone, which has the saved file, into our viewer. So let's place it into the viewer like this, close it down, and we're ready to view our image in a 360-degree panoramic. It would be awesome if the image just appeared when you put on these viewers. However, nothing works that easily. To locate this file, you first need to access the Oculus home screen. On the home screen, select Videos. Then look to the left, and on that menu option, select My Videos. Another screen will open which will allow you to page flip to find the specific file you'd like to view. Click on that file, and you'll be immersed in your 360-degree panorama. I'm Michael Dispezio, and thanks for watching this tutorial. And I hope to see you in another one. Okay, bye-bye.